is for you is why we need to check the subtraction. Anyone? Why we need to check the subtraction? Very good. यस राइट. अगर गलत, क्योंकि सब्ट्रैक्शन जब हम करते हैं तो उसमें कैरी नहीं आती, उसमें बोरो होता है. राइट. बोरो लेने में कभी कभार गलती हो जाती है, या फिर हम टेंथ प्लेस पे बोरो ले लें, लेकिन वहां से उसको प्रीवियस प्लेस पे कम करना भूल जाए. मैं इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दूंगी. लिसन टू मी. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट शुड यू हैव टू बी ओपन. Subtraction में हम borrow लेते हैं. Sometimes what will be happen, you will be forgot to take a borrow from the previous, but you are added to the current number. So that time that is a mistake in the subtraction. So that's why we need to take the subtraction. So our next topic is checking the subtraction with addition. Addition chapter हमने last में ही सीखा है. Previous chapter जो था हमारा addition ही था. तो एडिशन आपको आता ही है. पहले हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, फिर इसको हम चेक करेंगे एडिशन के थ्रू. अभी आप सिर्फ देखोगे. अभी आप सिर्फ देखोगे. जब मैं आपको बोलूं नोटबुक ओपन करके लिखो तब भी लिखना है. Rest of the students please quiet. So what should you have to do? Firstly, there is a one question given to you, subtract. Then you have to be, you, please mute yourself. First, you have to be subtract the given numbers, and then you have to be do the addition for these numbers. So let's understood by a example. Subtract 2486 from 5293. Firstly, what is this? Here is given the minus and subtrend. आपको 5293 में से 2486 को subtract करना है. So this is the vertical horizontal form. Firstly, you have to arrange them vertical form with their respective places. So I am writing here 5293 minus 2486. क्लियरली प्लेस के नीचे प्लेस ही आनी चाहिए, यहां से वहां आपके नंबर्स नहीं जाने चाहिए. टेंस, हंड्रेड एंड द थाउजेंड. So as we know, we have to be start the subtraction from the ones place. So 3 minus 6. 3 is smaller than the 6, so we have to take a borrow from the previous one. So 3 as it is, in place of 9, here is 8, and here will be 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 13 minus 6, 7. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 4. 2 is smaller than the 4, so we have to take a borrow from the previous one. 2 as it is. In place of 5, put here a 4 and 1 will be here. 12 minus 4, 8. 4 minus 2, 2. What is the answer? 2807. What is your answer? 2807. Now, here we complete our subtraction. Now we have to be check it your answer is correct or not. For that, what should you have to do? This is your minus, this is your subtract, and this is your difference, right? So for checking the subtraction, you have to add, subtract and minus. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि आपका आंसर राइट है कि रॉन्ग है. उसके लिए आपको subtract और difference, subtract और difference दोनों का एडिशन करना है. अगर वो माइनस से मैच होता है, then your answer is correct. जब आप सब्ट्रैंड और डिफरेंस का एडिशन करोगे, मतलब कि इस एग्जांपल के लिए 2486 प्लस 2807, if both answers are same as the minor, मतलब दोनों का एडिशन अगर 5293 आया तो आपका आंसर राइट है. So let's check it. So I'm adding the subtract and difference. So it will be easy for you. So 2486. Remember student, whenever you are doing a checking subtraction, it will be written like this. दोनों ऐसे पास पास में ही रखना है, तो अच्छे से आपको पता चले कि आपने राइट लिखा है कि रॉन्ग लिखा है. प्लस 2807, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Start the addition from the ones place. 6 plus 7, 13. 3 will be here. 1 as a carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 8, 12. 2 will be here. 1 as a carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So you can see that it's a 5293. Means both answers are same. So your subtraction is correct. अगर आंसर सही आया तो आपका मतलब आपका अगर subtraction same आया माइनस से, so your subtraction is correct. So I request to everyone, please write down in this notebook. Write down the heading checking subtraction with addition and write down this example. Write down this example in the notebook. If you done first one, try the second one. Subtract 4105 from 7000. अगर फर्स्ट वाला हो गया है तब सेकंड वाला ट्राई करोगे. And don't be ask me one question every time. I will always share this in the group. तो आपको मुझे पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कि मैम आप शेयर करोगे या नहीं करोगे. मैं शेयर करूंगी ही. Okay, let's solve this one. What is the question? Subtract 4105 from 7000. मतलब ये इस तरह से है, 7000 minus 4105. Right? So this is the horizontal form. Firstly, we have to arrange it in the vertical form. 7000 minus 4105. Starting from the ones place, 0 minus 5, we cannot subtract 0 from the 5. Take a borrow from the previous, that is also 0. So for this 0, take again borrow from the previous one, that is also 0. So we have to take a borrow for this 0 from the previous one, that is a 7. So 0 as it is, here is a 6 and 1. Now give a 1 borrow to the next 0, 9, here is 1. Now give 1 borrow to this the previous number, 0, 9 and 1. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 1, 8, 6 minus 4, 2. Answer is 2895. Now we have to be check the subtraction that is correct or not. आपको चेक करना है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन राइट है कि रॉन्ग है. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to be add the subtrahend and the difference means 4105 and 2895. If the answer is 7000, your subtraction is correct. So let's do that. I am adding 4105 plus 2895. Ones, tens, hundred, and the thousand. Start from the ones place. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Answer is 7000. Both are the same. So your subtraction is correct. आपका subtraction का आंसर right है. Complete it. Solve this example in notebook. This 3 is your homework. Already learned the properties of the addition, right? First property, just going to revise that thing. First property, whenever you add 0 to a number, then you get that number as an answer. Whenever you, second property, whenever you add a 1 to any number, you get the successor of that number. And last, third property, whenever whenever you change the order of addition, the answer remains same. This is the properties of addition. Now it's time for the properties of subtraction. So let's learn it. First property, whenever you subtract any number from that number only. जैसे यहाँ पे आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है 6784 माइनस 6784, मतलब मैंने वही नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया हुआ है. So what will be happen whenever you subtract any number from that number, मतलब उसी नंबर में से जब आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हो 4321 माइनस 4321, यहाँ आप देखोगे 1 माइनस 1 0, 2 माइनस 2 0, 3 माइनस 3 0, 4 माइनस 4 0. So what is the first property of subtraction? When number is subtract from itself, itself मतलब वही number, we get 0 as a difference. Difference means a answer. Don't be forgot the name. When a number subtracts from itself, we get 0 as a difference. So what is our first property? When a number subtracts from itself, मतलब minus and subtract both are same number, then we get 0 as a difference, means a answer. जब आपको दोनों नंबर एक ही दिखे तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करने नहीं बैठना, डायरेक्ट 0 लिख देना है. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी, अगर आप कोई नंबर में से जीरो सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो, जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है 3124 माइनस जीरो, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर विल बी दैट नंबर. Second example 5362, subtracting that 5362 minus 0. Whenever you subtract any number to a 0, whenever you subtract 0 from any number, then you get that number as a difference. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is number itself. जैसे यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे subtrend क्या है? 0. 0 को अगर आप कोई भी नंबर में से subtract करते हो, so the difference is number itself. Difference means the answer. So you can write down the example of this. Now third and the last property of addition, subtraction, whenever you subtract one from any number, जब आप कोई भी नंबर में से one को subtract करते हो, what will be happen? Here you can see, whenever I subtract one from any number, so the answer, the difference is the previous one. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर में से प्रीवियस नंबर हमें मिलता है, उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? वी आर गेटिंग अ प्रीडिसेसर. सब्ट्रैक्ट एडिशन में क्या था? whenever we add 1 to any number, we get the successor. The reverse of that, whenever we subtract 1 from any number, we get the predecessor. Second example is also like that. So what is our third property of subtraction? When 1 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the predecessor of that number. Successor, predecessor already we learned in the chapter 1 numbers. पहले ही हमने सीख लिया है. अगर आप भूल गए हो तो वापस से फर्स्ट चैप्टर खोल के उसको रिवाइज कर सकते हो. So first property हमारी क्या थी? First property is that whenever number is subtracted from itself, the difference is zero. जब आप कोई भी नंबर में से उसी नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो तो आंसर आपको डिफरेंस आपको जीरो मिलेगा. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी, whenever you subtract zero from any number, the difference is number itself. And the last and third property, whenever you subtract 1 from any number, we get a predecessor. Now, I will be share what should you have to be write down in the notebook. Now we are going for the next one, that is the subtraction of 10. हमने addition किया था, addition with 10, 100 and the 1000, right? In that what will be happen, whenever we add 10 to any number, we have to increase the tens place value by 1. So in the subtraction you have to do the reverse thing. Whenever you subtract 10 from any number, you have to be decrease the tens place value by 1. Let's see the example. It will be easy for you. You don't have to do the subtraction arranging by vertically. Just write down it horizontally. क्योंकि ये 10 है तो tens place value में से एक कम कर दो, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. So answer is, here you can see the first example 5678 minus 10. मैंने क्या बोला? अगर आप 10 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो तो टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू, यहाँ पे टेंस प्लेस कौन सी है? 7. उसमें से आपको एक कम कर देना है. सो योर आंसर विल बी 5668. Second example 4313 minus 10. माइनस 10 है मतलब टेंस वैल्यू 3 ones, 1 is a tens place, so उसमें से आपको 1 कम कर देना है. So your answer is 4303. Next example 3852 minus 10. Again it's a 10, so tens place की एक वैल्यू कम कर देनी है. So answer is the 3842. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आप वर्टिकली अरेंज करके आंसर चेक कर सकते हो. 2964 minus 10. So what will be the answer? 2954. Why? Because we are subtracting 10, so tens place value will be decreased by 1. So remember, when 10 is subtracted from any number, the digit in the tens place of the number decrease by 1. एडिशन में हम इंक्रीज बाय 1 करते थे, सब्ट्रैक्शन में आपको डिक्रीज बाय 1 करना है. सेम फॉर द 100, सब्ट्रैक्शन फॉर ऑफ 100. टेंस में हम टेंस प्लेस की 1 डिजिट को कम करते थे, 100 में 100 प्लेस की 1 डिजिट को हम डिक्रीज करेंगे, कम करेंगे. So first example 1245 minus 100. So 100 place पे यहाँ पे 2 है. So decrease it by 1. So answer is the 1145. Second example 3652. So आपको यहाँ पे minus 100 किया हुआ है, तो आपको 100 place देखनी है 3652 में, that is the 6. Decrease by 1, 3551. Next 4729 minus 100. So 100 प्लेस पे जो भी वैल्यू होगी, जैसे कि यहाँ पे 7, उसको क्या करना है? डिक्रीज बाय 1. सो योर आंसर इज 4629. नेक्स्ट 7526 माइनस 100. 100 प्लेस पे क्या है? 5. सो 5 को हम 1 से डिक्रीज करेंगे. So answer is the 7426. So remember, when 100 is subtracted from a number, the digit in the 100 place of the number decrease by 1. And the same process you have to follow for the 1000. Whenever you subtract 1000 from any number, you have to decrease the 1000 place digit by 1. And you got the answer. So first example 2395 minus 1000. 1000 प्लेस पे यहाँ पे 2 है, तो उसको 1 से डिक्रीज करेंगे, तो 1395. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल 5284 minus 1000. Answer is the 4284. Third example 7309 minus 1000. On the 1000 place there is a 7, so 7 will be decreased by 1, and answer is the 6309. Last example 4982 minus 1000. On the 1000 place there is a 4, so 4 will be decreased by 1. Answer is the 3982. So remember, when 1000 is subtracted from a number, a digit on the 1000 place will be decreased by 1. Okay, so today we are learning the 3 topics. First topic, checking the subtraction with addition. Second topic, properties of subtraction. Third topic, subtraction by 10, 100 and 1000. What should you have to be write down for the next 2 topic, means properties and subtraction by 10, 100 and 1000. I will be tell you, I will be send a snap of this. मैंने सिर्फ सिखाया आपको, अभी आपको कर देना है.